How to download or install Brawl Stars on PC. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to download and install Brawl Stars on PC. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Brawl Stars is a multiplayer online battle arena and third-person hero shooter video game developed and published by Finnish video game company Supercell. So to download the game, go ahead and open your preferred browser. I will open Google Chrome here. Now in the search bar, search for Brawl Stars Download PC. In the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and tap on the second link. You will then see the option for Download Brawl Stars for PC. So go ahead and tap on the Download Brawl Stars on PC button. Now wait for the download to complete, and once downloaded, go ahead and launch the game and install it further by following the on-screen prompts. And this is how you can download and install Brawl Stars on PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.